Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your birthday in Google Calendar. For that, you have to come on this website called Google Calendar. After that, make sure you have checked this birthday option. From there, you have to go to Google Contacts. In Google Contacts, you have to create a new contact. For example, just click on the Create Contact and give your first name, John. Whatever email is you can add your phone number, give the birthday date to no now give the note and just save it. So from here you can see, go to the November. Here you can see this birthday option is came. So this is how you can add a birthday to your Google Calendar. If this video found helpful, then subscribe to the channel.